pick 3 15/0 seed beads, pull it down. This is a very small seed beads, you know, so like this, and I will knot them. Like this. So I'm exiting here to this side. I can't hold it. Sorry. And I will pass the needle to this 15/0 like this, and then pull the thread like this, and pick 1 2 pick 8 15/0 8 15/0. We are 3 3 and 2, so we have 8 15/0 and attach the chain. So we are exiting from here, and I will pass a needle from the opposite side of our working thread like this. Then here and here. And once more, I'll pass a needle here. And then needle here. Like that. I will pick 2 15/0. So we're exiting here, and I will pass the needle here like this. Pull the thread like this. Pass the needle here to this 15/0 and pull the thread. I'll pick again 2 15/0. We're exiting here. So from the opposite side of our working thread, same beads like this, and I'll pass a needle here. So like this. Now we'll do it once again. Now I'll pick 2 15/0 again, and I'll pass the needle to the opposite side of our working thread. Pass the needle like this and pull the thread. So we're exiting here. Now pass the needle here.